Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus RCF versus the Dodge Challenger. We'll explore how these two distinct performance machines stack up against each other. The RCF brings a sophisticated, track-ready feel with Lexus's renowned luxury. In contrast, the Challenger embodies classic American muscle, focusing on brute force and a commanding presence. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the better fit for your garage. When it comes to raw power, both cars deliver impressive numbers. The Lexus RCF boasts a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds. The Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, with its 6.4-liter Hemi V8, offers 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, matching the RCF's 0 to 60 time at 4.2 seconds. While the RCF has a top speed of 168 miles per hour, certain high-performance Challenger models can reach over 200 miles per hour. Stepping inside, the Lexus RCF emphasizes luxury and refinement. You'll find high-quality materials like leather and Alcantara, along with a standard 10.3-inch color touchscreen for infotainment. It also includes performance-inspired digital instrumentation and advanced safety features. The Dodge Challenger, on the other hand, provides a more retro, driver-centric cabin. It typically features a 7-inch or available 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen, offering a robust infotainment system. Both vehicles come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. When considering long-term ownership, the Lexus RCF generally boasts excellent reliability ratings, a hallmark of the Lexus brand, with many owners reporting few issues over several years. The Dodge Challenger also shows good reliability, particularly in more recent model years, though some earlier models had specific concerns. Pricing varies significantly across trims for both, with the Challenger offering a broader range from entry-level to extreme performance. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize refined luxury and precision, or the undeniable thrill of American muscle. Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.